Go.
Okay, this is another video. We're going to do an oil change, and it's on a 04 Freestar, and it is a 3.9 liter. I think it's, basically it's oil changes on this one and the 4.2 are the same. Here's the tools we have. You need jack stands, wheel chocks, oil filter, drain pan. You need a filter wrench sometimes, and you're going to need a 15mm wrench for the drain plug. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the jack and raise the vehicle up and secure it on jack stands. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will get right back with you.